So this is the second setup for camera support. These smaller grid hangers. Depending on what size box you got, you can flip these up or flip them down. It gives you a little bit of difference as far as height above the grid ceiling. And we've got these little weird little clips that clip onto it. Important thing about those is gotta have one of these guys. This part goes inside, and then I like to use the floor to push down on the box in order to get the screw in there. So as I'm applying pressure here, this allows me to get the screw straight. Now that the screw's straight, I can tighten this down. It's super important that the head of the screw goes on the inside of the box. When you're done, threads are on the outside. This unit is secured. I usually don't tighten these down too much, that way you can get some play left to right on these. And then Romex connector, however you like to orient that.